Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will see various loops. It is a while loop, do while loop, for loop and for each loop. In while loop we have to specify condition immediate after while keyword. While loop is an entry control loop. In while block we can write any statement which we want to execute iteratively, and we have to increment the value of controlled variable in the while loop. Here we will increment value of I using I++, which is an increment operator. We can see output 0 to 9 number is printed. So let's move to other loop, which is a do while loop. It is an exit control loop. So condition will be checked at the end of loop. Do while loop will be executed at least one time. This loop will be executed 10 times because of this condition. Now we will print string with slash and character for better formatting. And let's see output. Loop is executed 10 times because of this condition. Now let's see other loops. We have created one array of 3 elements. In for loop, k is equal to 0 is the initialization of control variable. K less than 3 is a condition and k++ is an increment. We are writing content of the array in the for loop. For each loop is used to display each content of array or a list. This for each loop will display all the content of a loop. So let's run it. You can see all the output of all loops. Thank you.